Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by profiling your headphones and choosing a reference sound. Use a measurement app or reliable test tracks. This gives you a baseline so changes are meaningful. Once done, reset the equalizer to flat or default to avoid inherited boosts. Make sure to pick the target sound, neutral, bass forward, or clearer mids, because every tweak will push the signature toward that goal. You're setting constraints first. This saves time and prevents chasing tonal shifts later. Now you execute precise changes to reach the target. Identify peaks or dips using test tracks and sweep with a narrow cue to cut resonances, then use a wider cue to shape overall balance. Make small moves, 1 to 3 dB steps, and listen between each change. Big jumps destabilize the mix. Once the low, mid, and high regions trend toward your reference, alternate source material to confirm consistency across music and dialogue. This iterative, measured approach prevents overcorrection. Finish by locking in the settings you verified across sources and volumes. Save labeled presets, for example, move is, acoustic, and bass heavy, so you can switch quickly without redoing work. Once saved, perform a /B tests by toggling the EQ and listen for fatigue or masking. A good preset should improve clarity without introducing harshness. If something sounds off, revert to the saved preset, inspect connections and cables, and remeasure the headphone response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.